Here goes Abby and Ellie into the famous Hot Wheels Gully at Alpine Meadows. Ooh, I'm getting bounced around a little bit here. Oh, she says, are you okay? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Do you want to say anything? Oh. Uh-oh.